So it's about 3:30 now, and I'm back out in the back. And as you can see, we're in a winter wonderland. This snow probably now is about 3 inches deep, but it's so heavy and thick, it's hard to believe that much has actually accumulated in such a short amount of time. But compared to the last video, everything is now coated in white, and those are the wires. Hopefully they're going to hold up. Some of the tree limbs seem to be getting a little bit heavy with the snow and being weighed down. I saw that up front with my little oak tree. No wind yet, thank goodness. We've got some plows out, obviously. Got a lot of people still on the roads. I can hear them down at the curve, having a little bit of trouble. So that's the status for now. Talk to you later. Bye.